one lady said, "Can you just put on these bunny ears, bend down, and I'll hold a whip." I was like, "Madam, I don't even allow this in the husband."
Amit says call back when he literally wants someone to call him back. Like, it's a callback.
It was panic central because they're like, "But that was not. You said 5 lights. We have 5 lights. Now you want a 6 light?"
My weirdest was, I think, Tihar jail. And
Just I like that we just threw that in very calmly.
जेलर खड़ा है पीछे
Also,
हंसाओ
12 लोग हैं तो उसमें चकना पास भी होता है आपको सेट के बीच में आप लोग आगे आप कंटिन्यू करते हो उससे
It's the kid or something came, did 100 rupees on the thing and put it on the DJ console.
that's true.
It was like, पीके था बस यार अब नहीं कर सकता मैं.
he's like, "How much is that?" She's like, "Of budget." So he's like, "No, but no, it's okay. But how much is it?" "No, it's out of budget." So he's like, "अच्छा ठीक है ना, just bored, dude. How much?" 1,505.
Oh my god.
कॉमेडियन होना चाहिए था, मतलब स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन. रिकॉल और वो तुम्हारे अच्छे हैं.
अच्छा बड़ा बहुत बड़ा
Call back.
Call back, Amit. That's the term. you're
Call
looking
back.
for.
Call back.
back.
What did he say?
Recall.
Recall.
Yeah.
Amit says call back when he literally wants someone to call him back. Like, it's a callback. What is it?
Oh, yeah, this is amazing because this shit is actually a callback. It's a question I've answered already. Is this Jeopardy? Like strangest setting you've had to perform in?
I remember that Cardinal Bengan show in Singapore because you have to give your requirements. And here we're a country of jugaad. Na? Like you don't think a lot of things are stressful. But we just said, listen, we feel the stage is a bit dark. Can we just get one more light here? It was panic central. Because they're like, "But that was not. You said 5 lights. We have 5 lights. Now you want a 6 light?" You know? And so then while they were organizing the 6th light, Veer Das had gone to buy a guitar. He wanted a guitar because we were in this mall. So he told the salesperson, "Look, my budget is $1,500, right?" So then he looked at one guitar and he's like, "How much is that?" She said, "Out of budget." So he's like, "No, that's okay. But how much is it?" "No, it's out of budget." So he's like, "Acha, theek hai na, just bored, dude. How much?" It's 1,505.
Oh my god. Oh. That's great.
Like that level of exactitude.
So basically, I just want to say that Anu's not racist. She didn't compare Singapore to Japan.
No.
She knows they're two different places.
Oh, that was really good Singaporean accent.
Yeah, that was very good.
Was it a first?
Say it again with a lie in the end.
Just
It's out of budget lah.
Very good. Yeah.
That's very good.
That's very good. हम दोनों को जूते पड़ेंगे. You'll be like method acting. इतना अच्छा किया.
That was very good.
but weirdest setup.
Jewelry show. Me and Khamba. So our sets are already blasphemous. Only old ladies in the audience. And they were eating dinner while it was happening. So I've never had a punchline being interrupted. You know how sometimes old ladies will clear their throat after eating dinner? So have you ever had a punchline interrupted by, "Ah! Ah! Ah!"
What were they?
Violent burping. Very bad. It was like me and Khamma were halfway through just giggling to ourselves, being like, please, Dadiji, not right now. There's a very dark joke coming up. Please, everyone, clutch your heart. It was very bad. It was very bad. To have like people help people get out of the room. I understand if during comedy people just walk away. But here they can't even they need help to walk away. It's not good. That was, I think, the worst one.
My weirdest was, I think, Tihar jail. And
Just I like that we just threw that in very calmly.
I actually told this story too. But it was me, Zakir, and Bharti Singh. We were
You guys
I know
were
this story.
performing.
I know this story.
performance. And it was like 1,000-1,500 log. And they, पहले तो हमें वही था कि हम इनको सुनाएं क्या, क्योंकि like none of your setups would resonate with these people.
कभी-कभी आप रेस्टोरेंट जाते हो पता है नो क्या ओके you don't know what
What was it?
oh.
So but then there were people who ensured that they laugh. So तब हमें मतलब हम 10 मिनट
ठंडा लगे खड़े हैं. जेलर खड़ा है पीछे. हंसाओ.
अरे नहीं पता है क्या था, तो there is तो पुलिस तो अंदर जितनी है वो तमिलनाडु का डर है. So the prisoners and the policemen can't even talk to each other. But then they have these, you know, जो दफा 302 और वो वाले होते हैं, वो सफेद कुर्ते में थे. And we actually saw them slapping some of these guys in the beginning. के बड़े तरह से ये. So because there was media, so they were told कि हंसना भाई. So
How do you do relatable material today? जेब कतरे का होते हैं नहीं? सबसे लेम नहीं होते जेब कतरे. Like what are you supposed to say to them?
because मेरे बहुत सारे जोक्स सब हस्बैंड वाइफ थे, बट उन जोक्स में वाइफ इज डोमिनेंट. इनकी अगर वाइफ डोमिनेंट थी तो दफन है.
But that's why they're in jail, because the wife was dominant.
You could have done like relatable material, ना? Murder में कितना मजा आता है ना?
What is
See,
up
I
with
didn't know
guns?
that all the jailers are actually from Tamil Nadu. It makes sense because Rajnikant in Jailer was stationed in Bombay, and he's
Oh
telling
my
us it's based on reality.
Oh, was there a stand-up comedy scene in there?
No.
That edited out.
What all kind of shows have you been a part of? Corporate, college shows, weddings? Yeah, what other occasions? Have you ever done shows inside someone's house?
हाँ.
I have. Yeah.
Yeah, 10, 12 people. I've done shows inside
drawing
people's
room.
houses, drawing room.
हाँ.
Back in the day, like one of the earliest shows. Drawing room किया मैंने.
But I had fun shows there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, lot of fun doing a drawing room show.
Yeah.
Because there are 10 people, but they are all listening.
They're all listening.
My simple philosophy is कि अगर 5 लोग दिए पर सुन रहे हैं तो बढ़िया
तो
होगा.
मजा आएगा. हाँ.
हाँ. So I've done that in Ludhiana in some show, somebody's home, and they had put up the speakers, but I'm like, तुम सामने बैठे हो.
हाँ, क्या speaker?
माइक सिर्फ मैंने हाथ में फील के लिए पकड़ा है. एंड बट करे हुए हैं उसमें. मजा आता है उसमें.
हाँ, उस 10-12 लोग हैं तो उसमें चकना पास भी होता है आपको सेट के बीच में कि आप दो आगे आप कंटिन्यू करते हो. It's cute,
My thing
actually.
is always, should I ask for a mic or not? Because there are 30 people in the living room. Like, do we really need it?
But birthday party, I clearly remember, I was a radio jockey in Delhi. And अपना मिशन, अब 17 साल के थे, अपना मिशन होता था कि थोड़ा सा कैश मिल जाए कि दारू पीने को मिल जाए बस. ठीक है कि ठेके पे जाके गर्मी में नहीं बैठेंगे एयरपोर्ट के साइड पे कि इतने पैसे हैं किसी रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर जाके ठाट से बोलेंगे लार्ज लेके लॉन्ग आइलैंड आइस टी दो हैप्पी आवर्स में TGIF में.
Haywards 5000.
Hayward 5000 एक पी के फिर उसके बाद खत्म. बंदा अगले दिन उठा. So they used to, we had a sound engineer called PK Sharma. PK da बहुत मजेदार आदमी थे. And the radio jockeys at that time were, there was me, there was Rishi Kannan, Rishi K. There was Gaurav Raina, who is one half of Medieval Pandits.
Oh.
Right? He used to DJ those birthday parties. They used to happen in कॉलोनी का गार्डन होता है ना बीच में जहाँ पे टेंट लगाते हैं उसका सेटअप होता था. पीके दा यूज्ड टू अरेंज ऑल दीस थिंग्स. पता नहीं कहाँ से उनको आज कीर्ति नगर में है. ठीक है तो हम लोग जाते थे एंड वी आर स्टैंडिंग ऐसे और अब टिंकू के पापा आएंगे केक काटने के लिए एंड टिंकू वुड कम पापा वुड कम एंड गौरव रायना इज प्लेइंग म्यूजिक. ठीक है हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू एंड ही इज प्लेइंग ऑल द ग्रेटेस्ट बॉलीवुड हिट्स ऑफ दैट टाइम. वी आर टॉकिंग लेट 90s प्री चैनल वी. And this would happen, and I would get 1,000 rupees in cash. Wow. Gaurav Raina would get some money, and at one time when I realized कि अब ये show मैं और नहीं कर सकता, because some dada of the kid or something came, did 100 rupees on the thing and put it on the DJ console.
That's too good.
I'm like, पीके दा बस यार अब नहीं कर सकता मैं. ठीक है अब हो गया ये.
But it makes me imagine that like if medieval pundits also had to do this, like at some point, Rahman was also doing shitty corporate shows.
Of course
At
he was.
some point,
He was doing ad jingles.
Dude, at some point he was playing a Jagrata or something.
yeah,
right?
at some point, the greatest artists in India
हाँ.
have done some pretty shitty shows. That makes you feel not that bad, actually.
But I like when stereotypes work out, because once in Ludhiana, they said, please have a glass of wine before the show. I said, no, I don't drink before a show, but I'll join you for a glass of wine. No, you must. And then you're not also, you're a lily-livered South Indian, you realize, in a room full of Punjabis, right? So then I had to have like a little bit of wine before I went on stage. And then after that, they said, come, will you take some photos? I said, yeah, sure. And they kept asking me, what do you want for the show? I said, I just need a mic. And like, I don't need anything. They kept saying, you don't need a makeup artist. You don't need a makeup artist. And I was like, no, I'll just do my own makeup and come. And then I went for the show and I realized all the ladies there had got their makeup professionally done and come to watch me. And I like a chunt had done my own makeup. I looked like some Sadhgi ki murti on stage. And then post the show, they were like, pose for some photos. We were like, yeah, okay. And then they had like a lot of like BDSM stuff, like props just laid out. Okay, these chicks, and this one lady said, "Can you just put on these bunny ears, bend down, and I'll hold a whip." I was like, "Madam, I don't even allow this with my husband."
Did you not tell her? I think you meant to call Amit Tandon. Call the wrong person.
Jesus,
This was at
Punjab
home.
has lived up to its hype.
But I can guarantee you that Atul Khatri has done a show like this. 100%. Bunny ears, bend down, sure. No, keep them.
What is up with these Punjabi aunties nowadays, yaar?
That's a very good impression.
I keep telling them, what is up with the bunnies?
मुझे कहानी याद आई थी, भूल गया. लिख लेना. पेन पेपर दे दिया.
How is your experience performing with other artists versus performing alone?
I mean, other artists are always better. The shared trauma is always better.
हाँ, एक कंधा रोने के लिए हो तो
Yeah. I think like a lot of my musician friends like have been from the corporate days era. Like I know me and Benny Dayal, I would see Benny a lot at shows during the corporate era. I would know his set inside out. I would know like, all right, Badtameez Dil is coming up next, you guys.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, I would know. Yeah, other artists, yeah.
We used to do a lot of them for Channel V because we used to have Channel V road shows. VJ episode. So I'll tell the IPL thing now because the funniest thing happens once is that we're doing an opening. I think it was the Chennai, it was the opening ceremony and I was hosting it and there was a lot of performers. And the IPL opening ceremony, of course, is grand and so many performers. And I've just, this is, I think way back, I 10 years back, let's say. And they called me, they said, just come up and do your mic check and everything. And it's a bunch of, there's like 15, 20 makeup vans standing behind backstage. And it's all jammed, the area's all jammed. And everyone's kind of standing outside, hanging, whatever. I open my door and I take a step down. And suddenly I have become the fourth in a foursome. Right? There were 3 people talking. And I've just suddenly become, I don't know why they were outside that van. There was just, it was very packed. And I've just come and now we're 4 of us. The other 3 people are Salman Bhai and colonial cousins. Leslie
oddest
and
combination.
Hariharan and Salman and me and the 4 of us are just standing there and I've not been invited to this conversation. I just happened to walk into it. And there's no conversation. Everyone's just silent. It's like, hi, hi.
और चेहरा कैसा है?
Salman and colonial cousins.
We were standing.
Hariharan and Himalaya.
And he's like, hi.
Oh,
Hi.
Kai Sala.
Hi.
Kai Pauna.
Hi.
Kai Sala.
And there's just silence. And it's like he was smoking a cigarette. I think he finished. It's like, all right, guys.
Good chat.
But those are awkward bits. But otherwise, it's great fun. When you're doing a big show like that and there's like 20 performers. भाई दोपहर में allowed नहीं है तुम्हें पता है सोसाइटी का सर्कुलर नहीं पढ़ा क्या तुमने there's 20 artists behind because then it's like it's a party. It's a party that's happening. Nobody cares what's happening on stage. You can have a lot more fun. Those kind of things you remember.
The comedy festivals are great that way. I look forward to the
Yeah.
comedy festivals because the green room is way more fun than the stage.
Yeah.
It's way more fun. और वो जो रात को जो पार्टी होती है जो अगले दिन सुबह तक चलती है दारू पी के वो जो मजा है वो अलग है. बाकी वो बेइज्जती वाले शोज में you मतलब if you have somebody else कि हाँ तू भी हुआ ना बेइज्जत.
But that's why I like theatre also. That's why I always do one new play a year because it's that, you know, that camaraderie that you don't get with doing stand-up, right? Because you're traveling like a little gypsy family to other shows. You know you're getting no money. So you know you're doing it for the sheer love of it.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
As in theatre, there's no competition or this one's better because there is no money.
There's no parking in Prithvi. There's no room for parking. Who needs it?
I remember I did a show for 2 people, like recently, very recently, for some industrialist and his son. Very shitty show. I knew, like, I walked in and it was going to be a shitty show.
But you knew
So-
there were only going to be 2 people.
Haan.
Oh.
Then I saw Archana Panya, she was the RJ. She was hosting, so I was like, yeah, I know. Like, मेरा
Share
तो
the pain.
हाँ मेरी तो 5 मिनट की बेइज्जती है तू तो होस्ट कर रही है
Hosting a show for 2 people.
2 people.
हाँ and then
This
I
is throwaway
felt
money.
even
Yeah,
This could
better
have been an email. Yeah.
even better because when I walked off Palash Sen walked on the stage.
Oh.
मैं अकेला नहीं बेइज्जत हो रहा आज।
सब बिक चुके हैं, सब बिक चुके हो।
दुनिया पर आई मेरे छोड़ के आई।
मेरे को एक बार किसी ने बुलाया था एक शो के लिए, दिस साइड के हमारे घर ये आईपीएल का फाइनल हो रहा है और हम एक इवेंट कर रहे हैं अपने घर पे। तो मैंने कहा अच्छा फाइनल के बाद, नहीं कि फाइनल के दौरान, मैंने कहा फाइनल के दौरान मतलब इसे वी आर डूइंग अ effectively 7-8 years ago it was a watch along, so they said we want you to come and just talk about the game while it's happening. I said but there are people on air who are talking about the game while it's happening. It's called commentary. They said no, but we want you and somebody with you, maybe Ajay Jadeja, and you will just come and do a live and then you can do extra innings in the middle of the 2 innings. I said but we are doing it on air. You can just turn the volume up. Right? In that time, why do we have to come?
That's crazy.
So I just said no. But they called every year for 4 years.
That's crazy.
Till they finally got
Like
the
they
hint.
want to see you do your thing.
Just
In
live,
drawing
like
room.
in
Yeah.
front.
Like,
Yeah, in their
like I
drawing
don't, my
room, yeah.
life for 10 years, bro, has been
Yeah.
saying come and roast out of me.
Yeah.
At my wedding, at my birthday, at my son's thing, at my this one's thing.
तेरी बात में लॉजिक है पर हमारे पास पैसे बहुत ज्यादा हैं। Basically,
Saying that's fine, you are fine, but here paycheck.